So, yesterday we compiled a little Rust code, and trying to see this documentation specifies how to get it working on the web. So what I've done already is I've copied this index file. I've created this index file in the root of our directory, and you can see it here. Okay, index.html. And now we have to make it available. So there are several steps, as you can see, to go do this. And so let's get started. The first thing they tell us to do is to recompile. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to recompile. Let's see. So what this does, the target bundler option. So I think that helps make it available. So now we're going to go, I didn't even look that up. So let's see the package. npm link. So what this is going to do is make a package available to other JavaScript packages. And let's see what that's going to do. It's doing what it's... Okay. So now, up there, it didn't like something. Code. Aha. So it doesn't like, I don't know if I want to do this with sudo though. Well, we can try it, see what happens. Otherwise, we'll just change we may just have to change the permissions there. Okay, now, let's do this. So we gotta get back and make their site, cd site. See if it likes that. If it's gonna do that. And then we need a new file. So I guess this is all done here. Oh, you see it's got the dolls on, so they're doing this all as root, I think. Let's see if it... It's not timing. Okay, I'm just gonna go into another window, create another window to do the rest of this and see. I am not sure what this is. I'm looking at this. So npm link. Let's do many people use them there, and we're using one of them. It's only a little bit. So let's move on, and we did that. Now let's create a new file. And I'm gonna. I guess it's. Let's get out of this, and I would assume this goes in site because they don't tell you to go in a different directory. So we're going to make that assumption. And I'm going to create these files. We need 3 files, package JSON. So let's do this. Let's see. Let's do it. I'm just going to create these 3. And okay. Where did I put it? What I'm doing now is I'm just trying to create these 3 files that need to be created, which the first one is package.json. So these are Node.js files, and we got 1. And then the next one we need to create is new file is Webpack Config Js. So let's do that. And I don't know if this is going to work, but we will give it a shot, and if not, we'll just have to figure it out. So we got Webpack Config Js, and now we got index.js. And we're going to save that. That is index.js. Now, the last thing is modify. Okay, so we need to modify that, and we put that in the root of the project. So what we're going to do is reopen that file. Here it is, and we're going to replace it, see if that works. And then you should be able to we're going to try it out. We're going to see if we can do the typical npm what you normally do to serve a web, npm install, npm run serve. So let's try that. Let me see what you just seen. Okay, you got here. So we're going to see if this works. It may or may not. So this is going to just install anything it may need. And we may get a permission issue. In which case I'm going to go back and try, yeah, it even says, let's give this a shot. So I'm not 100% confident, but we'll try it. It would be great if it does. Because what should happen is we should be able to go to the browser, just like what we did previously when we've done no matching version. Okay, so it is not finding. Well, that's interesting. So let's go. Maybe we're probably. Let's try it again from here. That's interesting. Okay, it liked that better. Oh, let's see. Let's go into site and see if that does it. Okay. Not clear where you're supposed to do this from. Because it didn't like npm install from, well, it did. npm start. It is not. It is not. Something's missing, and something's in the wrong directory. Let's see. There's another page that I linked to, which is, let's see. Getting started. Now, this is all about accounts. We have a oh, I wonder what we need to do is in that Python command. We don't have that Python Javascript. That would be, oh no, it is running. Okay, so I did a little bit more work here on this, and I'm able to get it to come up without an error and actually run it. The problem is it's coming up with a blank, so something is not quite hooking up, and I am not sure what exactly, because the instructions are a little bit confusing in terms of where you put this file and that file. It looks like all the files need to go in the site directory, but you run the web server through the directory above that. Right now, before I moved that into the site directory, I was getting like a directory. So then I tried moving it to, again, when I moved to the site directory, then I was getting this blank. And what has to happen is the index.html that we looked at has to hook up with the index.js. Now, it looks from the configuration they're supposed to be in the same directory. Let me bring this, let's see if I can get it back up to, oh, that's not the one. I want this one. I want to get rid of blank and get rid of, let's see. We don't want, I want to bring up, back up the, let me just see something before I do it. Rust to WASM. I'm gonna find that screen. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. So when you look at this, you have this screen. This is for the getting the dev server. This is the configuration. So it's saying it's looking for this and running development. This index.js is supposed to point to the hello WASM.js, which is the wrap that lets us talk. And then it's supposed to put this greeting in. And the index.html is supposed to be in the same directory, as you can tell right here. So why it is not seeing it, I am not sure. But it's actually saying hello WASM example in the title. So we know it's seeing the index.html, but it's not hooking up with index.js, or index.js is not finding this. However, if you do, let me show you something. Let me go here and switch this one out to one of the other ones. Here we go. Oh, is that the web? No, don't want that one. Okay, let's go to this one. And yeah. So we go to site and we do ls, paste, and you can see it finds what it's looking for. So I'm not quite sure. But we got pretty far considering. So, okay. Well, if this has been helpful, then please subscribe. Please ring the bell to get further videos. Please like the video. Please tell your friends who are interested in this stuff. And I will speak to you next time. Take care.